Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. I could not be more excited to say it is blisteringly hot outside, but my vehicle and your vehicle are probably not as excited. And it's a great time to go over some summer maintenance tips to look out for things that might come up with your vehicle due to the heat, how you can preempt them, and how you can deal with small issues to preclude the possibility of larger and more expensive issues. So of course, with heat, I'm not very good at physics and science, but a lot of things will behave differently. A good thing to keep an eye on is all of the important fluids in your car. Brake fluid, transmission, etc. Heat can cause them to behave differently, and possibly, even if before we're at the optimum levels, might not be so now due to the heat. A good thing to check and watch out for. As well as if you have tires that are not in the best of shape, the inclination might be to think that since it's not slippery outside, I can get away with tires that are not great. However, if those tires are old and brittle or running low, then the summer heat can exacerbate any possible issue and lead to a greater likelihood of a blowout, which could cause, of course, more myriad problems as well as an immediate safety concern. Lastly, your air conditioning, which is very important right now, one, can experience some deleterious effects due to high humidity, which we've had a lot of. And also, for example, if your air is not blowing the coldest of air, or your AC is not, then it could mean you're low on Freon. And if you're low on Freon but continue to run your air conditioning, then it leads to a much greater likelihood that as it is trying to run on fumes, it could harm the compressor itself. And whereas a Freon recharge could be a relatively simple and inexpensive job, that air compressor is much more intensive and therefore expensive. So while you're enjoying your summer and spending some time outside and staying hydrated enough to enjoy it, make sure that you're affording the same duty of care to your car so that it can safely take you on all of your summer adventures.